In the north of England, near the Scottish border, stands Chillingham Castle. It began as a 12th century manor house, later fortified into a castle. For centuries, it sat at the center of the brutal border wars. It was occupied by kings, attacked by armies, and used as a base for executions. Today, it is known as one of the most haunted castles in Britain. The most famous paranormal report is the Blue Boy of the Pink Room. For generations, guests reported seeing a glowing blue halo appear above the bed. They claimed to hear a child crying out in fear. This legend took a physical turn during renovations. Workers removing plaster from a thick stone wall found the bones of a child. The bones were surrounded by decaying blue fabric. Whether the bones belonged to the boy from the legend, historians cannot verify, but the discovery changed how visitors viewed the room. Another reported ghost is Lady Mary Berkeley. She was the wife of Lord Grey of Chillingham. In the late 17th century, Lord Grey abandoned Lady Mary, running off with her own sister. Lady Mary was left alone in the cold castle, with only her infant daughter. She died in isolation. Guests claimed to hear the rustle of her dress in the corridors, and a cold draft that follows her path. The castle also features a dark torture chamber. It is filled with iron maidens, thumbscrews, and stretching racks. Legend says a torturer named John Sage executed thousands of Scots here during the wars. Historians argue that John Sage may be a composite character, and the scale of the torture was exaggerated. But the reality of the border wars was undeniably violent. Outside, the grounds are home to the Chillingham wild cattle, a rare, genetically isolated herd that has lived here for 800 years. They are wild, aggressive, and completely white. Like the castle itself, they are survivors of a different era. This is the Location Files. Episode 13, Chillingham Castle. The bones in the wall are a historical fact. The tragedies of the border wars are recorded in archives, but the ghosts remain in the realm of experience. Unexplained does not mean haunted. It means unfinished. And this file is still open.